Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So we are here in this area. It's a place where there'll be where they will build houses. So as you can see, there's so many trash around here. So we're just going to we'll use this platform to barbecue or to barbecue our sate. And the boys are in the car. It's not live in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia.
Center of the spotlight.
So we're getting ready to grill the satay.
Sate mate tim tim tim. Sate hati mi tim tim. Sate mate tim tim.
So that's the charcoal that we're going to use. And we have the satay here. Homemade satay.
I'm taking a video.
And also this is the peanut sauce.
Took my place.
You have knife?
No, I don't bring it.
No problem. Sure, huh?
There's no number. Okay, whatever. Okay. There is a star out there, which is not visible in the screen. Let me just zoom in for you. Just speed up for a little bit. There's a tiny little star right over there. Right over there. Let me just zoom in for a little bit more. See, right there. Right there. See, the middle star. That's one seen in a very one time. The middle star. Okay, should I zoom in for more information? Okay. And now here is one of the many varieties of camping. Camping. Okay, no tents, no nothing. Just the original. There's abandoned houses. I shouldn't zoom in more. Okay, not direct anyone in the eye. Okay, there's a lot of trash and his hand. See? And we're in Saudi Arabia. Day 2020 something. And that's the masjid. We once prayed there Ramadan.
Yeah.
Not once, lots of times. And here is the fire. Fire. The fire. Bring on the heat. Fire. Oh, come on, that's a very little. It's so lame. There's that. Just a few sparks. Okay, there's abandoned houses, car, 6-9, whatever, as they call it. Fire hasn't ignited. Bubble with thobe, professional thobe, headlights. Let's zoom into the fire. Whoa, you're even burning some waste. Oh no, they're not burning some waste. And almost, Martin is sneaking to sneak a snack. Fire ignites. Let's whirl you around.
An airplane. Show them the airplane. Show them.
Airplane, airplane, airplane! Airplane! I should zoom in for more information. Airplane.
There's one airplane there. Wait a minute.
Goodbye, airplane.
That can't be.
Can be what? Martin has a mysterious look on his face. That can be what? The cosmos? The end of the universe? Just kidding. Cosmos.
End of the video.
Hey, there's some parking lots. We could have, parked. I'm just gonna take my slippers and then show you a parking lot. Parking lot, parking lot, parking lot, parking lot, parking lot, parking lot. Have easily just park there. Instead we parked here. Habikar. And here we are, the fire ignites again. Once we see this fire, we shall be hot, furious. Abba is already hot. Go zoom in. Wow. Whoa, I can already feel the heat. That's a huge fire to bring on. I'll just turn off the lights. Yallah. Some piece of plastic with fire flew away with some plastic and fire on it. But immediately came and stopped it. Stop. And the star of the night, Maran, who's grumpy every time. Okay, let's see. A little hair has grown from last week's shave. No,
Mom, look who I took your slipper by accident.
and ta-da! Wait, let me turn off the lights. Okay, and ta-da! Ta-da, 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 ta-da. Okay, on light. We shall see that Abba, my daddy, has moved the fire from there to there, which is igniting and stop igniting. Zoom in. Whoa! Oh, it's not that whoa. Here's the headlights, which he does not need to use.
I need it.
Okay, then he needs to use. See this post lab reaching to the far universes of the seas, and that very tiny little white little. It's the video is blurring it a bit. And Alba Amar is complaining about the videos again. Not exactly. The very first time I've ever took a video. Not exactly. The fire reduced. Trash, 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 trash. How does people treat this environment? They treat it as if this is a big waste of trash. This whole world. They treat it as if it's nothing. Trash, 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 trash. This is not our trash. This is okay. This is our stuff, but not trash. And there's a mat here, which none of us put. It just came out from nowhere. Nowhere. Trust me. Nowhere. Here's again the board, Marwan. and the hardworking Abba, and the staring Amma. Okay, let's see, that's fine. And this is the top of Not exactly. All you do is complain. Okay, you are saying in a complaining way. Hang on my neck. Ta-da! Sate is not being grilled, the fire's still igniting.
No, what are you doing?
Again, complaining way, but not complaining.
Again, just hearing everybody complaining more.
Oh, the wind is blowing a little bit, which leads the smoke the other way. See the house over there? See that very little house right over there? Right in the middle? See everybody? Okay, right there with the car parked in front. Ah. Okay, let's see this.
So as a result, I have to use more of the white cubes. Because it's
More of the cubes? No, that doesn't make any sense to me.
What is the white?
We have brought 7 up. 3, 13, 14 cubes to ignite the fire.
15, 16, 17.
50, 60, 70, 18. Abba's adding some little kazam in his fire. And what are those? What are those, Abba? What are those?
Hmm?
What are those?
The white cubes?
The white cubes, but not
Lighters.
black.
Lighters.
Lighters. Oh. And here I say we are reaching the end of the video, and then Marvin will say, finally, or he won't say that because I just said that, so he won't say that. Alright, finally, stop talking. He says that every time. In his mind, I don't hear him, but then he doesn't in his mind. But I know he's saying it. And now he's just making groaning noise.
Grumpy.
Grumpy, yes. And he's saying that I'm the one who's grumpy. Grumpy noise. He's covering his ears to not hear the video at all. And he's rubbing his feet together to make no noise at all. But still, sparks are flying. It is very dangerous for me to come near, so but I'm gonna put in zoom. And zoom out. Zoom, zoom out, zoom, zoom out, zoom, zoom out, zoom, zoom out, zoom out, whatever. Okay, let's go zoom out. Here is nobody. So abandoned that nobody rarely comes to this place. The lights doesn't even work on. What is this place? I just heard a mip noise or beep noise or beep noise. Whoa, half moon! Half moon! Need a closer look. Zoom in. Half moon, I did not notice that. Half moon or quarter moon, or mostly the moon. See, that is the moon. There is the moon. See that right there. See that right there. Right there. I'm just covering with my pinky. The moon, half moon. And this video, they say it white because I think I'm shining my light on it. But still, whatever. Okay, and here we go. The end of the video, which took 38 minutes at least. It's not 22.
15? Oh, I thought it was 20.
Okay. So long. Masalam. 2, 1, action. Okay. Here we are, barbecuing day. Sate. Okay, look here, everybody. Okay, really interesting sight to see. One of the most very sights of all. Wow. Okay, whatever. Now go back to the barbecuing. As we can see right here, barbecuing is barbecuing. Let's move closer. That's right. I have the ability to move closer. Ah! Ha! See that? A little further. Sates are beautiful. And this one, no. Okay then.
You have to push up a bit more because the bottom will not get fire.
Further.
Like that.
One.
This one,
Such
you
a
have to
tense
push a
heat.
bit up a bit because the bottom will not get.
That is fire, my food. Very fire.
See? Very, very firish. Oh, I have to move here because I'm such a distance from here because. Okay then. Trash. One, 3, 2. Wait, I thought that was green. 1. Goodbye. 3, 2, 1, go! We are here. We are videoing this side of the satay as usual. And let's go. Lift off. 3, 2. We're going crazy high. Okay, first I need to get my slippers. Ha! We're recording live. No, not live.
For me, having more fire is better than having less fire.
Ah!
More fire.
I accidentally stepped on this. A blue disc and a big one. And satay, which are satay. And the full moon eclipse right over there. Now I'm gonna cover it with my finger. Now I'm gonna show.
And more fire is like later.
See?
You don't have to worry. That fire finished.
The fire what?
The fire finished somehow.
What? What do you mean?
Like more fire, don't have to worry with the fire.
Oh, okay. That's a review from Mr. Abba and Mr. Marwan. So, if there's too much fire, there will be a
Fan on this.
Fan on this? This is impossible. What should be happening? Whoa! The world has been rolling dizzy. Whoa! Okay, back. Screen live. Check.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Tap. Okay, good.
31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 40, 42.
42 satays in one grill jack. What is this, madness? Here are the satays from far. Zoom in. Ah, Abba's head. Ah, Amma. Ah, Baron. Okay, now we see right here. There's a white slab stone right here, and there's a satay right here, and there's.
Can you get the fan, Sam, please?
Okay, Marlon, get the fan. Marlon, get the fan, please. Why? You're just picking up the fan. The bag is right beside you. It's inside.
No, inside there. Oh, there.
Ugh. Okay, then I complained too much. And this is the fan that Marlon was supposed to bring. Fan. Wait. Now this is the fan that I was supposed to bring. Ha! We shall scrape. Flap. Flap.
That is the machine fan, Abba.
Machine fan. Get it again. So just inside this bag. Machine fan. Found you. Ah. Machine fan.
But better.
Machine fan ready. Whoa, Amma did some hard blowing.
Oh, machine found the liver.
But they found the liver. Whatever. Found it. This is the liver. Okay, whatever. Blowing, 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 blowing.
Yeah, this side fire.
Now let's get twisted. We shall feel the intensity from this very spark. Let's go dark mode. Finally dark mode. We can't see him on his face, but it's a little bit blurrish. Well, here we can see the full mode. Oh, boy, so fast! Sparks are coming out! They're burning with us! Ah! Yeah, we burned my dress. Yeah, back. Grab out again. I should put it on a stand. Ugh.
No, but chicken has to be very well half cooked. Is no good. It can be viruses and bacteria in the
No. This is not a very good sight to see.
This one, because the wind is going.
Yes, you are right. The wind is blowing on my hairs and this way, this direction. Where's it blowing at that? Now we shall see.
Turn on the light.
Oh, come on. Whatever. Too big on. Whatever.
Oh, I like this express cook. My sticks are burning.
Oh, my sticks are burning. Yeah, he's kind of right.
My sticks are not.
The sticks are burning. The satay is burning very quickly.
Burning.
Fire is ignited. Fire is getting hot and hotter. Till will the hotter get hotter? Let's find out in the next episode. It only took 6 minutes and total on action. Okay, the sizzling sound. Chish, chash, chush, chish. Okay, we might see right here how the barbecue.
Thinking people will see that.
Okay.
The
How
main
will-
reason to put this is to make it stable, Abba.
How will this barbecue survive from the extreme heat? Headphones?
Don't shake
Oh,
it, Abba.
headlights on.
No, give me a spoon or fork. Give me a fork.
If you see right there, a burned stick, a really burned one. Let me just zoom in. Burned right there. Zoom out. We shall see all the smoke from rising high up in the sky.
Very thin one.
On a very special star over there. Tiny.
Why can you get it like this again?
Oh, sorry. Focus back on the barbecues. Are these the ones with fat?
All are with that.
All over with fat. That is what Appa says, except for Amma. The very first 2 barbecues are burned into crisps. Oh, then the 3rd. She's testing. Oh, then the 4th. It's burned. As you see right here, it's burned to crisp.
A bit burned is okay.
It's a bit burned, but Abba says okay, but I say it's not. Ooh, it's getting hot in here. I should point at the other side now. Now I should put in night mode.
Turn on the light, please.
Again.
You keep on because you don't know the fire is high. You might get burned. The middle one is fine.
Mama, can you use your fork to take this?
Yeah, I'll plan to.
Which part is it? Here. Let's fire. This meat cannot.
Okay, there's enough satay for me. Now Amma's gonna hold and take control of the satay.
Careful, Amma, your touch, your light will not get burned.
Amma, this is a little bit different. Amma, this is a little bit different, Amma. So I guess this fish has been added.
Maybe Amma added fish.
No, I
Amma
did not.
herself put fish.
I did not.
Amma, what did you add?
I don't know.
This is a different fish.
So alhamdulillah, this is the satay that we have barbecued. So actually we have two types. One is with fat and skin, one is lean chicken meat. So the boys likes to eat the one with fat and skin, chicken skin, and the father likes to eat
Sadr.
lean meat, just the meat. And I like
Not only the meat, it has to be from Sadr meat.
breast, chicken breast. You can see that this is peanut sauce.